this episode of Laurie in the Kitchen, I want to share with you how to make a loaded broccoli cheese. I'm going to just very carefully of olive oil, and then you're going to flip these upside down, some chopped onion. So now I'm going to add the broccoli florets. It's fresh broccoli floret. Now I'm adding some sour cream. I'm adding some cream cheese because I want this to be really creamy and delicious. Grating of Parmigiano. And then I'm just gonna take the strands of my squash. That is what I want it to look like. And now I'm just gonna take this mixture and I'm going to just stuff it. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna take a piece of provolone. I'm just gonna do one. I love this. With a nice green salad would be perfect. A wonderful, rich, satisfying, slightly low carb dinner.